Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate how to update MySQL resource provider in Azure Stack Hub. The latest resource provider version is 11470. Maybe still you are using resource provider version 1133 or 1124. MySQL resource provider version 1124 released with Azure Stack Hub version 1804. MySQL Resource Provider version 1133 released with Azure Stack Hub version 1808. The latest Resource Provider version 1147 released with Azure Stack Hub version 1910. Before you update Azure Stack Hub version to 2002, you must update MySQL and SQL Resource Providers to the latest version. Okay, let's start the process. First, download the latest MySQL RP version and extract it. Create a directory in the location where you extract the RP files called cert. You will need to copy the pfx file that contains the certificates for the SQL adapter into this directory. In the update script, we need to make few changes. Go to prerequisites and common and edit the common PowerShell script. Locate the line 82. Change the SQL MySQL PSH to Windows PowerShell modules and change the Azure RM version 2.3.0 to 583. Here I make that mentioned changes. Now locate the line 118 and 119. In both lines, change Azure RM to Azure RM Profile. Like this, change Azure RM to Azure RM Profile in both lines. Now we can start the update process. I will put the links to that document in the description section. First, make sure that you have installed PowerShell version 5.1 on your pep accessible machine. We need to install required Azure Stack modules to perform the update. Run PowerShell as administrator and do that installation. Once that installation has completed, we can start the update process. This is the script that we use to perform the update. In here, we need to provide required parameters. As a domain, you need to provide Azure Stack NetBIOS name of your deployment. In privilege endpoint, you need to provide one of the PEP IP. As Azure environment, you have to provide Azure Cloud or Azure Government Cloud. In temp directory, you have to provide the location of the update files that you have extracted in earlier step. In service admin, you have to provide the admin of your Azure Stack deployment. In here, you have to provide admin credentials. Once updating that deployed new Windows Server 2016 VM. In here, you have to provide password for new VM deployment. In here, you have to provide cloud admin credentials. In here, you have to provide password for SSL file. After providing all the required parameters, we can start the update process. While starting process, that will ask you to log in Azure Stack environment using PowerShell. You have to provide Azure Stack admin credentials to log in. The update process will take around an hour, and you can check the log files if there is any issue. Log files are located at the directory that you have extracted the installation files. Go to logs. Here you can find the log files. If the update has completed successfully, you can see MySQL adapter update was successful in the log file, and also uh, you can see in the admin portal the earlier MySQL RP server has deleted and new MySQL RP server has deployed with name of the MySQL version.